Today we're taking a closer look at the 2-inch hub-centric wheel spacers set of 4 for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. If you're looking to widen your Gladiator stance, clear larger wheels, or enhance stability, these spacers are a smart and effective option. These 2-inch spacers are going to push your wheels outward 2 inches on each side, giving your Gladiator a wider track and more aggressive, balanced appearance. The bolt pattern and hub-centric design ensure a perfect wheel alignment and eliminate vibration risk compared to those non-hub-centric alternatives. These are a great way to get a wider stance for better stability and cornering, or even just simply clear larger tires without dealing with any rubbing issues. These are crafted from T6 6061 billet aluminum, and these spacers offer a sturdy yet lightweight solution that withstands daily use and off-road conditions. This clean black finish is corrosion resistant and adds a clean black stealthy style behind the wheels. Now when it comes to the construction, these spacers are precision machined from billet aluminum and feature vehicle-specific tolerances for a tight, reliable fit. This high-quality construction ensures that they're built to withstand daily driving abuse, off-road stress, and harsh elements without compromising performance or longevity. As far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that $200 price range. That delivers strong value for a robust and quality performance upgrade that improves both the appearance and the functionality of your Gladiator. Now when it comes to the install, these are going to be rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have them installed in 1 hour or less of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include impact gun, and 19 and 22 millimeter socket. What's up guys? Today we're installing wheel spacers on our Gladiator, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is pop our wheel off. Now we have aftermarket lug nuts, so I'm using a spline key with a 22 millimeter socket, but yours may differ depending on your lug nuts. Now we can install our wheel spacer. We're just gonna slide this on the hub. Now I would recommend putting a little bit of thread locker onto these studs. And then slide that on. Thread on the lug nuts that are included with the spacers. Then grab your 19 millimeter socket and tighten them down. And then go back and torque everything down to the manufacturer specifications, and then we can throw our wheel back on. Now we're going to lift our tire back on, throw on our lug nuts, and torque them down to the factory spec. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the 2-inch hub-centric wheel spacers, set of 4 for your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Thank you for watching, and for all things Gladiator, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.